7 common mistakes that make parrots sick. But 90% of owners don't know. Number 1. Skipping proper water bowl cleaning. Use a brush or your hands to scrub every part of the water bowl's interior, so all the slippery buildup is completely removed. Number 2. Using tap water directly, without boiling. Tap water may contain chlorine and various microbes, which can cause infections and illness in parrots. Boil tap or filtered water, let it cool down, and give it to your parrot. Make sure to change your parrot's water at least twice a day to keep it fresh. Number 3. Nutritional imbalance. Does your parrot only eat its favorite seeds and leave the rest? If yes, it's better to include pellets in your parrot's diet. Pellets are a complete food that provides all the vitamins, minerals, and protein your parrot needs. Instead of just eating favorite seeds and missing out on nutrients, pellets help keep your parrot healthy and balanced. Number 4. Skipping baths. Bathing keeps your parrot's feathers and skin healthy, prevents buildup of oils and bacteria, and stops dryness. 2 to 3 baths per week in summer and once a week in winter are ideal for parrots. After the bath, place your parrot in a warm draft-free area, so it can dry completely and avoid catching a chill. Number 5. Lack of play and entertainment. Play and entertainment are very important for parrots, because they keep their minds active, reduce stress, and allow them to engage in natural behaviors like exploring. Without play, parrots can become bored, depressed, or aggressive. Number 6. Kissing your parrot, especially when you're sick. It's true that human viruses don't directly infect parrots, but parrots have a very sensitive immune system. Human viruses can still weaken their immunity and trigger illnesses that a healthy parrot would be able to fight off. This is when Nana got sick in the same way. He became really weak and lethargic. But don't worry, he's now completely healthy and full of energy. Although he's a little crazy. Number 7. Not using probiotics. Mix 1 sachet of probiotics in 1 liter of water, or a quarter of a sachet in 250 milliliters of water, and offer it to your parrot once a week. Store any leftover probiotic solution in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours, and discard it after that.